Hi, this is Nick Ryder with Smart Currency Exchange, the international payment specialist. Here's your look ahead to the week on the currency markets. Now, sterling started the new year very much where it left off, hovering just under 120 against the euro and 155.7 against the US dollar. Now, with many currency market traders just beginning to return to work after the Christmas break, and expect that we will start to see volatility on the currency markets increase again after what was a relatively quiet week last week. Now, against the US dollar, some feel sterling is set to fall in the new year as investors move money into the safe haven currency, but others really feel that there is scope for sterling to strengthen against the US dollar as the US government struggles to deal with its deficit and continues to bicker over budgets and spending. Similarly, against the euro, sterling is expected to strengthen up into the mid 120s. I've got a wide array of sector activity data in the form of PMI figures this week, and that starts with manufacturing data today. Now, in the Eurozone, the euro suffered throughout December, dropping to an 11.5-month low against sterling in the last week of the year. And shorts of the euro, i.e. trades that are sort of betting on the euro to fall, have increased to record highs in recent weeks, and Europe is set to remain as the market focus for the coming months. Now, this week we have bond market auctions in Germany and France, which will most likely draw some attention alongside German unemployment figures, which are released later today. In the USA, key events this week include the minutes from the most recent Federal Reserve interest rate meeting that are released later today, and with more buoyant data coming out of the US, the minutes might show that the committee are feeling a little bit more positive about the US recovery moving forward. Now, Friday sees key data in the form of non-farm payrolls, which should certainly see some sort of movement. Now, elsewhere, the Danish kroner and also other Scandinavian currencies have begun to show signs of safe haven demand as the Eurozone crisis deepens. Scandinavian currencies could also potentially start to strengthen even further as they're not really embroiled in the credit crisis to the extent that a lot of other countries are. The best thing to do is obviously call in, speak to one of the team here with regards to your international payments and to avoid the cost of any payments you have upcoming increasing. Thanks very much and Happy New Year.